Hello, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Chiz or Goo, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did my hair. This is the hair I'm going to be using. It's called Cuban Twist. I got 2 packs. One of them is 16 inches and the other one's 12 because I want to do a layered look. What I have in my spray bottle is a mix of water, leave-in conditioner, and Jamaican black castor oil. I plan on keeping these pieces in the front as bangs. I think I will retwist them so it looks a little bit neater, but I'm gonna start from the back. I want to work with the parts I already have, even though they're not like super perfect. So this is what the hair looks like. It's kind of pre-separated into sections, so I'm gonna use them like that. I'm gonna start with this twist, and oh, that one's the only one that's a braid. I'm not taking it down all the way to the root. I'm just starting from kind of the middle. I'm attaching the hair and I'm twisting. And then as I'm twisting the hair, I'm twisting it and then I'm twisting it over itself and I'm doing like that kind of motion. And I'm gonna go all the way down. I'm gonna try to keep my ends inside better as I go along, but I'm just doing my best. I don't even know if I would call this a tutorial, like, it's not really, it's more of a vlog. That is longer than I thought, but okay. Let's do braid number 2. I'm gonna try the braiding method that people do. So they use their hair as a third leg for the braid, and they braid a little bit. Then I just take my hair in one of them and start twisting. I don't separate my hair into the twist because I just don't think that's a good idea. Now we got 2 braids done. Anything at my ear or above, I'm gonna use the shorter hair. I would also like to add here that the parts that I have going on right now, they are from when I took my braids out. So I took each braid out and after that I sprayed it and detangled it and then I put it in a twist. And then I washed my hair in the twist. I think the detangling might be the longest and most difficult part of this. The time right now is 2:42 p.m. I'm gonna work on this hair, watch Adventure Time, and work away at the hair. 4:02 p.m. It's 6:03. It doesn't look like much progress, but I got a lot of the twists in the front. I undid them and redid them. You can kind of tell because the parts look neater. I went to bed last night, but I took a break at like 7 p.m. This is my progress so far. I finished 1 pack of the long hair, and I'm just gonna use the short hair to complete whatever is left, and I'm gonna be done. It's 10:58, so pretty much 11 a.m. So let's get this going. About 2.5 hours later, I finally finished, and this is the amount of hair I had left over. This is what the hair looks like down, and honestly, I don't really like the way it looks on me while it's down, but I'm sure it'll take some getting used to. The parts look neater than I honestly expected them to be based off of how they were looking in the twists. But yeah, I just needed a little bit of tension to kind of make it just look kind of fresher. But it doesn't hurt at all, and the hair is very lightweight, and overall, I really like it. I love putting the hair up. This is my favorite style. I think it looks really good, and it's very easy to do as well. So this is probably how I will have it most of the time. I just put a hair tie on it and I use my claw clip. Guys, look at my claw clip. That's like a hand. So awesome. My friend got it for me for my birthday. Anyways, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, comment a bat emoji. If you liked the video, please like the video.
That would help a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye!